Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's home vlogging, welcome to today's video. I started very late to record my videos. This one Wampapela, honestly speaking. She was just forward that day, I don't know why, but anyway, welcome to my channel. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth. I do anything that it is concerning home. So when I start vlogging, I started with these popcorns. I just said, let me just take a camera and film, because I wasn't even feeling great that day. Like I'm sometimes, but lately always I'm moody. I don't know why. I'm feeling down, but anyway, I just started that time very late. I am doing some popcorns there for me and my kids. I have 2 kids, a daughter and a son, 13 and 5 years old. So, and these popcorns, my son didn't like them until when I was eating with him. So he had a lot of them, and in the process he just wanted to eat the whole pot. But anyway, that couldn't happen because I'm just watching how he eats. I can't let him eat the whole pot alone. It's just disgusting. There must be a limit. So I'm just gonna clean the dishes also, because they were there since morning. I woke up around 5:30, did some laundry, washing with my hands. The video will be coming on Friday too, that will be washing with hands after a year or so of me washing with a machine. And I got tired that day, so I woke up 5:30, cleaned the yard and did these dishes before doing the laundry. So I hope you're going to enjoy the video, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and like, share and comment on my videos, guys. I'm doing this voice record on the parking on the street, and the cars are passing. I don't know if they will be audible enough in this video, but I can't go in the office. Like, my boss is coming early in the morning. I arrive at 7. I do my editing around between 7 and 8 before they come. But these days the other one is just arriving so early, so I just stayed in the car and I saw him getting in. We started 8 anyway. So bear with me if there are any car motions that you are gonna hear. I'm on the street, guys, but my windows are closed. Hopefully you are here for the home vlogging, you are here for the cleaning motivation and all those things that I will be doing, and you are enjoying the video. I appreciate you clicking on this one also, and I appreciate your presence. Your support is highly appreciated too. I love you so much. Keep on watching the ads. Guys, these popcorns are written stekineko what popcorns, so they pop out so perfectly. I don't want to lie, I will still repeat buying the brand. They pop out so perfectly and they are so nice. And I can tell you, only few meals, or what do they call the grains, only few are left. I'm thinking maybe 3 or 4. They pop so perfect, guys. I love them. I always take my popcorns with aromat because the salt, it's not doing that. My salt is a little bit coarse, it's a little bit grain, it's not as fine as the other salt that you can think of, like the cerebos. No, I use pink salt, which is not exactly fine. So I take it with aromat. Guys, I was not aware. I got burnt by the lid. I was not even aware that the lid is just so hot. So I got burnt. When we are in the kitchen, you get burnt by things. Since it was on a Sunday, I had to do some cleaning maintenance on my other properties. Like my cupboard needed some cleaning, like just to keep it lookable throughout the whole week. So I had to take my Mr. Sheen multi-purpose cleaner and make it like new. Guys, this utensil holder, it's not stable. Sometimes it just fall down with my spoons inside. I think I must get something that has got a flat surface cut it, because this one has got 3 pins, or what, 3 small standings that sits it down. It is not stable at all, so it sometimes fall off on the floor. It always feels so nice, it always feels so good when you are done with whatever you're doing and it comes out so nicely. My cupboard is brand new from the shop. It is so clean and brand new from the shop. Guys, I love it so much. And my stove also is so sparkling clean. As you can see, it's white and the top is shining, so it is ready for me to cook the afternoon meal. It's a snack time and we are having a pawpaw or papaya, however you call it. Guys, I don't have fruits for that weekend. I didn't have any kind of fruit except this one. I didn't buy them. I have my reasons not to buy them, and I think I'm just gonna stop for a while. Yeah, but I had a pawpaw that weekend. Chill. I ate it with my daughter. As for my son, Yena is a picky eater. He will just say, Mama, that is a pawpaw, buy a pawpaw, and I want this, I want that. But he is not eating them. They didn't do anything to him. He just chose to just look at them and say, this one I'm not gonna eat. So yeah, I'm just peeling it there and prepare it. If you are still here with me, thank you so much. Thank you for your presence. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your availability in my channel. Do subscribe if you haven't. Like, share and comment on this video, and I will see you again on another video. So guys, stay for the rest of the remaining minutes of this video and do watch the ads. I love you so much and stay blessed. Bye guys.